Hello, this is Hui from University of Energy and Technology, and this is my special presentation video. The 20th October is coming up, and today I want to talk to you about my mom. This is the first time I talk about my mom to another person, only my mom. And I think that I'm a lucky guy because I have both biological parents, and I respect it. For me, my mother is the most important woman of my life. I guess that everyone believes their mothers are the greatest people in the world. When I'm thinking about my mom, I have too many things to say. Oh, it's like unlimited. But when I want to say it out, it's very difficult. It's very hard to say what I think about my mom. Her name is Phương. She's 44 years old. In the past, she was a farmer, and now she was both a farmer and a chef. Her cooking skill is awesome and is one of many reasons why I want to be home as fast as I can when I have free time. Every week, I spend 1 or 2 days to stay at home with my parents. At that time, I feel very happy to do that, to stay with my parents, to stand by my mother. And people said that mothers always pamper children. There's nothing wrong about it. My mother always pampers me. She gives me anything I want, no matter that I was a little boy or now I'm a guy. And I don't want anything to hurt her. I will protect her with all my abilities all the time. Yeah. And this is very difficult to express your love to other person. For someone, my mother did not have anything special, but for me, she's the most special. It's like someone said that for the whole world, you are nothing, but for me, you are the world. Yeah. And I love my parents. I love my family. I love my mother. I love my brother. But this video is for my mom. And now I want to say it down loud that I love my mom. And I hope that you you are having the same thinking with me. Yes, this is the end of this video. Goodbye. See you later.